Hello everyone, my name is Trisha. I am the owner and lead planner of Trisha Beverages Events. We are located in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Today we are coming at you with a wedding planning tip, and we are also going to talk about a few of the products at Elegant Invites. So this RSVP card, I'm not sure if you can see it, is so pretty. If you can see the silver kind of, I don't know if you can see that properly, but the silver kind of tingles in the sunlight, if that makes sense. It's gorgeous. And then they also have the invitation along with that, and it is so pretty. This video does not do it justice. The pastel pink is incredible, and it's very heavy cardstock, so it's not going to bend in the mail. It's going to be perfect for your guests to pop on their fridge and remember to RSVP to you with the included RSVP card from the website. So the wedding planning tip that I have for you today is that when you are looking at your food and beverage menu, I suggest ordering appetizers, mostly because you're probably going to be doing photos during that time, and you definitely don't want your guests to be hungry or bored or confused as to what to do next or why there's such a long gap in between. This will allow you to have time to do your photos with your wedding party and your family members while your guests are occupied and satisfied. So when you look at your appetizer menu, try and choose things that are crowd pleasing. If you know that you have a lot of vegetarian guests attending your wedding, order some vegetarian options. Choose high protein options because your guests will also be drinking at your open bar throughout this time, and you want to try and avoid early intoxication if possible. And you would order appetizers for your full amount of guests because all of your guests would be there at that time. When you start to look at quantities, 3 to 4 pieces per person per hour makes sense. And that allows your guests to mingle and chat and stay busy and stay full. When you start looking at late night snack options, I generally suggest ordering late night snack for about 75% of your guest list because there will be some elderly guests that will have gone home. There will also be people that just won't want to eat a meal like that late at night. So 75% is usually a really great marking point to start from. I would also order something that is crowd pleasing. If you know that you have a whole bunch of people with dairy allergies or gluten allergies, don't order a pizza bar. Do something fun, do something interactive. Think food trucks, think stations, chefman stations, things that make the guests want to get up and try what you have. I know that a fruit platter or a cheese platter seems kind of crowd pleasing, but it's also kind of boring. So make sure that you stand out. And when you are ordering your invitations from Elegant Wedding Invites, put your late night snack on there. Then that way your guests know that there's something fun coming at 10 o'clock at night or 10:30 at night. Include that in your order of events. You include your ceremony and you include your reception or your dinner, so why not include that too? You're paying a lot of money for it, you want your guests to stay for it, and you want them to have that thing to look forward to in the evening. I hope this helps with the wedding planning tip. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. You can find all of my contact information on my website at trishabackwich.com. Thanks.